Today we're going to be going over the free gifts you can get at Harbor Freight with any purchase from January 9th through the 11th. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the details about the products that are free, and I'm going to show you the cheapest way to get them. So let's get started. So the first thing we got here is the 144 lumen ultra bright portable LED work light flashlight. This one is $1.79 normally, and you'll be getting it for free. Kind of a cheap item if you ask me, but let's go ahead and come down here and check out the specifications on it. So it requires 3 AAA batteries. Here's all the different SKU numbers also. And of course the lumens is 144. The battery type is zinc chloride. The product height is 1 3/8. The product width is 2 1/8 on that. And then not rechargeable. Full run time is 48 hours on that. It is a LED. Batteries included, yes, on that. Then the length of it is 3 7/8 inches. And then the weight on it, if this is shipping weight, if you're ordering it, is 0.25 pounds. Next up here, we got the Grants microfiber cleaning cloths, which are 12 by 12 inch 4-pack. Normally $3.99, and you will be getting these for your free item. So let's go to specifications on this. You can see the different SKUs here. Of course, they are 12 inch, quantity of 4. They are machine washable. Here's the material they're made out of. And once again, the width is 12 inch on there. Let's go ahead and check out the last item. And then finally, we got the Storehouse 8 inch UV resistant black cable ties, 100 pack. Normally $2.49, and you'll be getting these for free. Let's go down to specifications here and check these out. You got your different SKUs here. Materials nylon, and a bunch of other info. There ain't really much info on a zip tie, but in case you guys want to see it, there's everything for you. Now let's go over the cheapest ways to pick these up. Alright, starting off, the cheapest ways to get your free gifts from Harbor Freight. This has always been my go-to because you can always use these pencils. They're the 7-inch Carpenter pencils. These are coming in at 69 cents. This will be the cheapest option. Now I'm going to show you the next one. Now the next cheapest thing to get, and these are usually in a little bin up by the cash register, is these color snap blade utility knives. These are only 79 cents, making it another great deal. And just like the pencil, you can always use the pencil, you can always use one of these utility knives, and you can also use one of these utility knives to sharpen the pencil. So that makes it an even better deal on that. Now let's check out the third thing that's the cheapest. Now the third cheapest one here is actually on the after Christmas sale, and this one is also 79 cents, and this ends on the 15th, so you are covered on this. For this deal is the Harbor Freight 55 pound 19 gallon XXL bag. What a deal once again for 79 cents. I know a lot of people like this, or you could pick it up for your wife. Your wife might like it also. Now what I want to do is go into some of the coupons that are a little bit, let's go to the $1 to $5 range and check out what we can find on that. So now the next best way to get something for free, if you just need to buy something, is to go to Dollar Days. That's going to be the next cheapest thing we can do to get these. And on the Dollar Days coupons here, we got safety glasses for $1. You got the Pittsburgh Lifetime Mini Pick and Hook set for $1. A 3-pack of super glue for $1. A 6-pack of micro spring clamps, for $1. Then you got this 2 to 3 prong adapter 2-pack for $1. We got the 4-inch magnet holder. Sometimes this is a free item. That's how I've got mine. But they're $2 right now. You've got the gloves for $2 from Hardy. Then you got the Storehouse 12-inch silicone ties, 2 packs for $2. Got disposable blue shop towels, which everybody could use for $3. L-shape hang-all, 2-pack, $3. You got the Syntec 12-volt alternator and battery checker for $4. Then we got the Merlin 1/4-inch brass coupler. This is $4. And then we're going to move up to this next row here. You got the half-gallon multi-purpose sprayer for $4. The Quinn 14-in-1 painter's tool for $4. And then we've got a tarp here for $5. And wheel chalks. You should always have wheel chalks for $5. That's not bad at all. And then we're going to finish off on this row here in the Dollar Days. You can get a trim and molding piece tool set for $5. Then you also can get a multi-use transfer pump for $5, or a Pittsburgh Lifetime Replacement 3/8 drive. These are the hex socket set, 6-piece for $5. So there you go. There's $5 and under on the Dollar Days deals that you guys could get to get your free stuff. Alright, now we're looking at the after Christmas sale deals going on right now, and we got a detail brush set here, 6-piece for $2.49. Not a bad deal at all. That's under $5 to get your free stuff. We got the Storehouse 4-inch stacking tilt bins for $1.99. We got the Pittsburgh 8-inch needle nose pliers, and these will have a lifetime replacement on them for $2.99. Here we got a Pittsburgh 7-inch wire strippers with cutter. These are $2.99. And then over here we got the Chicago Electric 30-watt lightweight soldering iron for $2.99. Here we got a Hallmaster E-Track tie-down anchor for $4.99. Now we got a Chicago Electric 6 1/4 multi-purpose magnetic holder for $2.69. And then over here we got the Western Safety once again, $1.99 for the glasses. Here we have the Hardy goatskin split leather gloves for $3.99. Then we got the Thunderbolt CR2032 lithium button batteries 4-packs for $1.99. Got a couple of things in this roll. We got the US General 25-pound hook magnets right now for $4.99. Then we got the Mass 2-pack black or white. We'll be including this for 99 cents. Syntec 12 6-volt circuit tester here with 5-foot lead, $2.99. Here we got the 1-inch steel spring clamp for 99 cents. Now we got the latex dipped work gloves from Hardy for $1.49. Sometimes these are a free item too, but for $1.49, not a bad deal. And that'll finish out all the stuff under $5 in the after Christmas sale. Now we're in the deals for the Inside Track Club, and in here we got the Hercules 9-inch by 11-inch wet dry sanding sheets. These are a 5-pack on both of these, and right now they're $3.99 on sale. So there's another good one for you in the Inside Track Club. Here we got a Braun 200 lumen LED pin flashlight for $4.99. Then we got the PB blaster here for $4.99. Here we got the Warrior wire wheel cup brush set 6-piece on sale for $2.99. We got an Ames Instruments non-contact voltage tester here for $3.99. Now we got a couple of things in this roll. We got the Hallmaster camo diamond braided rope. This one is a 300-pound capacity for $3.99. And then we move over here to Pittsburgh. We got the lifetime replacement on these also. 3/8-inch drive SAE and metric spark plug socket set 5-piece for $4.99. Here we got some snap ring pliers from Pittsburgh, which would be covered under a lifetime warranty for $2.99. Then we got the Gordon utility blade dispenser 50-pack, $3.99. And then the Yukon 65-inch multi-purpose wall mount tool organizer. Here we got a 10-pack of the super glue for $1.99. That's a better deal than the 3-pack. Got some Hardy insulated net work gloves, $4.99. Then we got some Hallmaster bungee cords here for $2.79. Got a 4-in-1 plumber's brush for $1.99. Here we have Storehouse 14 to 16 gauge watertight heat shrink butt connectors 10-piece for $1.79. Then we got 2-inch by 12-inch red and white reflective strips 10-pack for $3.99. Merlin blowgun with safety tip and rubber tip for $3.99. And then over here we've got a 1/2-inch by 20-foot multicolored electrical tape 6-piece for $3.49. Got a Gordon combination sharpening stone for $1.99. Storehouse 15 bin small portable parts storage case for $3.99. Then we got the Pittsburgh. This is just going to be the ABS casing around it to protect it for $1.49. 4-inch brass garden hose nozzle for $2.99. Then we got a Merlin 1/4-inch brass industrial coupler connector set 5-piece here for $4.99. Hallmaster 1/4-inch cargo D-ring anchors 2-pack for $1.99. Bauer 5-inch sanding disc 5-pack, $1.99 on both of these. Got a Pittsburgh 1-pound neon orange deadbolt hammer, $4.99, and that will have a lifetime replacement. And then down here we have some more Hardy gloves, the A5 cut resistant work gloves for $3.49. Storehouse portable storage case for $3.99. And that'll end up everything that's under $5 on the Inside Track Club. And now under the New Year Super Coupons, we've got a pocket blowgun with industrial coupler for $1.69. Storehouse hose clamp assortment for $4.99. Not a bad deal if you work on cars. Here we got a Pittsburgh lifetime replacement wood chisel set, 3-piece for $4.89. Warrior T-Shank general purpose jigsaw blade set, 15-piece. Not a bad deal at all on that for $4.99. Here we got a Chicago Electric 24-inch 2-in-1 magnetic pickup tool for $2.49. Then we got a Pittsburgh 6.5-inch coping saw blades 4-piece for $1.29. Here we got a storehouse 24 compartment large storage container for $3.99. And then that's all the deals under $5 with the super coupons. And there you go. There is your 3 free gifts and the info about them and all the cheapest ways to get them under $5. I hope you guys enjoy videos like this. If you do like them, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll start doing these every time there's a free gift, just so you guys know a little bit more about the products and the cheapest way to get them. So as always, don't forget to check the links out down below. Down there I do have some affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.